Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from ZBD to Coinbase. Let's go through it step by step because one detail is very important. The amount you enter must match exactly. First, open the ZBD app and tap Transfer Bitcoin. On the next screen, select Coinbase from the available options. Now switch over the Coinbase app, tap the globe icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Bitcoin. Next, tap Transfer. Choose Receive and make sure you select the Lightning Network. Enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to send from ZBD. This is the most important step. The amount in Coinbase must be exactly the same as the amount you are sending from ZBD. Once you have entered it, tap Create Invoice. Coinbase will generate a Lightning invoice with a QR code and wallet address. If you need to change the amount, you can tap the pencil icon to edit it and generate a new invoice. Now go back to the ZBD app, paste the invoice and tap Continue. If everything is correct, you will now see a confirmation slider. Simply drag the slider to the right to submit your withdrawal. That's it. Thanks for watching.